be fast. We're late already.
If you know you've not cheated on your husband, come out of this line.
What are you doing? What is wrong?
I said, if you know you've not cheated on your husband, come out of this town now.
Are you okay? Is anything wrong with you?
Madam,
what is wrong with you?
Stop speaking English. If you know that you've not cheated on this man, come out of this line.
Baby, can you imagine?
What is wrong with you? What's your problem?
Why will you just come and settle?
Oga, your wife is cheating on you. But if she think that she has never cheated on you in this life, let her come out of this line.
It's like you are not okay.
What is your problem?
Come out.
Who are you and where have you come from? My wife can never cheat on me.
Yes.
I know this. I've been married to her for over 7 years.
Okay.
She will never cheat on me.
Okay, no problem. Oya, come out.
You are not okay.
No, come out.
Why will you circle me? Are you mad? Is anything wrong with you?
What is your problem? Why will you just come and draw a circle around someone? Do you know her before?
I don't know this.
Who are you?
Imagine.
Where did you come
I
from?
don't know her. The more reason why she should step out of this line. Let's see.
Who sent you,
Who sent you?
Nobody sent me.
Nobody sent you. You just came
Because I
in.
know that she's cheating on you.
And how is it even your business? Baby, I've never cheated on you.
Of course. I don't understand what is wrong with her.
Auntie, wait. You are not cheating, right?
I'm not cheating on my husband.
You are not cheating back?
Yes.
Oh yeah, come out. Come out now.
What is going on here?
Madam, respect yourself.
I should respect myself.
Wipe this thing away. Let me walk away.
Okay, madam, it's just a simple instruction. Simple instruction.
Clean this thing, clean this thing.
If you know.
Hello, Mr. Bassey.
Yes,
my
man.
friend.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. What's going on here?
I don't understand what's happening here.
I told her, I know this woman is cheating on her husband. And I just circled the line. Now.
Madam, let me. Can't you go and look for something to do with your life?
Exactly.
So all these people that
jobless people going around
who know about how to go to the family and break family. If kids also taking that, you don't even have husband. Same. What is your problem? Can't you allow this beautiful couple to enjoy their marriage?
What is your problem?
Madam, come out of this
Can
line.
you wipe this thing? If you wipe it, I will leave. What is wrong with you? What is your problem?
All these facetious beliefs. Anyway, but I know you are not cheating on your husband. Just come out. Come out. Nothing.
My dear.
Okay, if you know that you've never cheated on your wife, come out of this line. Okay, if you know you've never cheated on your wife, come out of this line.
Have you got to me my own side?
Can you imagine, best man? So many jobless
Okay, come out if you know you've not cheated on your wife now. Come out.
No, I'm not in for all this, okay? I have somewhere important that I'm going to. I'm going.
Best man.
You don't
Best
believe
man.
in it, right? You don't believe.
Best man.
Madam,
Best
come out
man.
now. Sure, you've seen what happened to this one. But yeah, come out.
Please, step out. Let's go. Let's leave this place. Baby. Step out. Let's go, please.
Baby, I've not cheated on you.
I know now. I know you've never cheated on me. So please, step out. Let's go.
I don't even know what she has put here. I don't even know her plans. I don't even
Look at what has happened. Please, can we just step out? Since
Madam, you are wasting my
you've
time.
never cheated on me before, right?
You are
So
wasting
step
my
out.
time,
Let's go.
madam. Come out of this line if you know you've not cheated on your husband.
Are you afraid?
Baby, I can never cheat on you.
I know. That's why I'm saying you should come out. Let's go before the police get here.
I don't even know her plans by doing this thing. I don't want to lose my
Come out now. Come out.
Come out now.
I will confess. I will
Confess
say the
what?
truth. I will say the truth. I will know the truth. Okay, I've cheated on you. I've been cheating on you.
You've been cheating on me?
Yes.
Hey,
With who?
There are plenty.
Jesus.
There are plenty. Will you talk?
There are plenty.
Like who?
Like 5. My boss.
Shimo.
The office. The gate man.
Jesus.
The cook.
Which gate man?
Gate man.
Our gate man. The cook.
The driver.
Oh my God.
You've seen for yourself.
Hey, Annabelle. Thank you
can-
for this idea.
You can continue with her.
Best man. Stand up. My brother.
Hey,
Did you hear her?
my good friend, I've been telling you this thing, that this wife of yours is not meant for you, but you never listen. She's a cheat, not even a cheat, but a cheater, highest cheat.
Our gate man.
Gate man.
The driver. The cook.
I didn't know what came over me. Please.
You are so shameless. This man has been telling me that there's something funny going on between you and those people. He has been seeing some signs every time I'm not around. I did not believe him.
Do you know the most important? Go and check your children to know if you are the biological.
I'm going to do DNA on
test.
every single one of them. But just know that the marriage is over
baby,
already.
Please, baby, please, you cannot.
What is wrong with you?
I've tried, though. I've tried.
Yes, man.
My brother.
Thank you for this idea. You did
all right.
so well. Thank you. Thank you.
See?
Look at you. What are you? You are still standing. You are afraid of moving. You better stand there.
Please. Baby, please, I'm sorry.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.